Have you ever lost your keys or wallet or bag and just wished that you had a way to find them as easily as just opening up your Android phone and just pinging it? If so, allow me to introduce you to your new best friend, the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2, a Bluetooth tracking device that can help you locate your valuables almost immediately. In this video, I'm going to let you know everything you need to know about the SmartTag2, including its features, specs, how it works, and how it works with SmartThings. So whether you're a Samsung fan or just curious about this little guy, carry on watching. What is the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2? This is the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2, a small device that you can attach to anything that you want to keep track of, such as your keys, your wallet, bag, or even your pet. It uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, technology to communicate with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet and lets you ring it or locate it on a map using the SmartThings app. You can also use it to control your smart home devices, anything that you've got in your home that can connect to SmartThings with a simple click. The SmartTag2 is the second generation of Samsung's Bluetooth tracker, following the SmartTag Plus that was launched a little while ago, and then previously before that was the SmartTag, the original OG one. This little guy has some improvements over its predecessor, such as it's got a longer battery life of up to 500 days, or even up to 40% more on power saving mode, a more durable design with an IP67 dust and water resistance rating, which is huge, a built-in ring, this little guy at the top over here, that makes it easier to attach to anything, whether it's a collar or a keyring or whatever. It's also got a compass view and a search nearby feature that gives you more intuitive directions to find your tagged item using your phone. It's got a wider compatibility with more Samsung devices running Android 9.0 and above. And finally, it's got a much thinner body design than the SmartTag Plus, so it can slide into things a little bit easier. It's a bit chunkier this way, but this way, thinner. So how does Samsung achieve this level of magic from such a tiny device? The SmartTag2 works in two main ways: within Bluetooth range and outside of Bluetooth range. Within Bluetooth range, you can use the SmartThings app on your Samsung device to ring your SmartTag2 and make it beep loudly so you can find whatever that it's attached to and wherever it is attached to within range. You can also use the search nearby feature, which is really cool, and it will give you directions, either left, right, up, down, forward, or backward, to that tagged item. This is actually also a really smart solution for people who are hard of hearing, of course, because when you can't hear the beeping noise that you've set up, it's going to be a lot easier to use the app to do that, or if there are any obstacles in the way and you, for some reason, they're obstructing the audio as well. Outside Bluetooth range, you can use the SmartThings app to see the last known location of your SmartTag2 on a map. Its location is trackable when it triangulates with other Samsung devices, which obviously depends on the proliferation in your country, or wherever you're using it. And unfortunately in South Africa, there are a ton of Samsung devices, so it works really well here. You can also use the lost mode feature to enlist the help of other Samsung users who are part of the SmartThings Find network, which has actually helped me find a stolen phone once. Story for another time. When another user's device detects your lost SmartTag2 nearby, it will send you an anonymous notification with its location. This way, you can increase your chances of finding your lost item. One of my favorite features of the SmartTag2 is that it can act as a very cool smart home button. This, as well as the fact that it's got this looped design at the top, sets it apart from Apple's AirTag because it can now attach directly to your keyring right here, or your animal collar, without you having to buy any other accessory or a cover that has that feature built in. And of course, the AirTag doesn't have a button, so it's purely a one-way device. This one is a two-way device. You can customize this click to perform different actions when you press it once or twice through SmartThings. So you can have a double tap or a single tap. For example, you can use it to turn on your lights, or you can use it to adjust your thermostat if you've got a smart thermostat, or play music, or even take a selfie. This could be a remote trigger to your camera. You can also use it to trigger routines that combine multiple actions at once, which through SmartThings is really cool. For example, you can use it to set your home to away mode when you leave, which could turn off the lights, lock your front door if you've got smart locks, and arm your security system if it's open up to the SmartThings ecosystem. It could activate a scene in your house, for instance, or you can ping your phone so that you can easily find it. If you have got your keys but your phone's lying somewhere else, or if you've got this on your keys, you could use your phone to find it. It's very cool. So how much does it cost? The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2 costs $29.99 for one unit, or $49.99 at this current state of mind for a 2-pack. In South Africa, that's just under 500 Rand for a single one of these at the moment. And if you want to get the 4-pack, which I highly recommend getting, it's 1,400 Rand. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, and I've only got the white one, which I think looks really cool. I've included a link in my bio if you're looking to pick one up for yourself, or even the 4-pack for yourself. But I do highly recommend getting the 4-pack. It's a significant saving over buying them individually, and I feel that more of them are more useful because you're probably going to access them more frequently. There are some cases for them if you want, but honestly, I just like the way that it looks. A case would probably make it a little bit too bulky, but if you want them to be protected, especially this white one from scuffing, from key scratches, or if you're putting it on your puppy, and your puppy is just running like rampantly around the neighborhood, it might be a good idea to have it covered. So why should you buy the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2? Getting a SmartTag is a no-brainer for my ADHD ass. We have a toddler, she's constantly hiding the keys, she's throwing them behind couches, underneath pillows, and I travel a lot and I want to keep track of my luggage in case it gets lost, and I'm heavy into the SmartThings ecosystem. So an AirTag is just simply not an option for us. SmartTag is. The tough choice, though, I think a lot of people are going to be having is going to be between getting a few of these over the original SmartTag or SmartTag Plus. I still got my SmartTag Plus here, and it works well. And the biggest motivator would be the longer battery life over the roughly 100 days of the SmartTag Plus. This is 500 days. Also, that's if you can find these original SmartTag Pluses anywhere and if they're on sale or anything. So yeah, to me, no brainer. It's waterproof. They're gonna last longer, 500 days. That's kind of like the biggest selling point for me. And we need them in our house. We got a whole family. Things get lost and things of value get lost. And we can program these for different sets of keys, which I'm planning on doing. This is the one set of keys that we got now. I'm gonna get the 4-pack so that we've got, Jamie's got her set of keys, Jess has got her set of keys, I got my set of keys, and we can then like ping our phones respectively. So we can find that very easily and even open up our front gate, which is going to be super cool. I don't know if I'm going to program this one to do that, but at least if we've got an extra one lying around, we can have a smart button attached somewhere, or even a panic button potentially. I'm going to have a lot of fun just working out what we can do with the extra one, because I only need 3 right now. It's really cool. Anyway, Samsung Unlocked is your ultimate destination for everything that is Samsung Galaxy. Whether you're looking for new devices, new accessories, apps, or services, on this channel we got you covered. Make sure that you check out the channel and subscribe, and you can discover how we can help you make the most of your Samsung Galaxy experience. Hope this video has given you some useful information about the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2 and how it can help you find your valuables and control your smart home devices with just this little crazy thing. If there's a question that I didn't manage to answer in this video, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm going to be answering as many as I can over the course of the next couple of months, and especially as I get to, maybe I'll do an update video, and I'll link that somewhere below here if I do. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.